guys, so I finally done with my foundation. Now I'm just gonna put on my concealer. The next thing is that I'm gonna use a beauty blender and blend them all over. Make sure they're even. And then I will be using my compressed powder and of course put them on under my eyes and also on my jaw. Then I'll comb my eyebrow and draw them a little bit because my eyebrow is already thick, not too dark. And then after my powder is baked, and I'm just going to, blend them all over. Next, apply the peachy pink all over your lid. Keep layering until maximum color paid off. Next, we're gonna use the dark purple eyeshadow and add it on the outer third of your eye. With a dabbing motion, blend the peachy pink with the dark purple all together. Next, pick up a sparkling pink color and apply along the inner part of your eye. This is gonna create a beautiful, luminous look effect. Pick up the same peachy pink color and apply this along your lower lash line, stopping halfway. Next, I'll be using this almost like black color eyeshadow and put it along my upper lash line on the outer of my eyes, just to give it like an eyeliner shape. And now I'm just going to curve my lashes on both of my eyes. And then I use my favorite mascara, Nude from Thailand, and put it on my lashes. Using the Savannah color palette, I also make a contour on my nose just to give it a shape. Can we all just, I don't know, that's so weird. Using the NYX bronzer, I bronze my cheek, except I don't really smile, I don't know why. And I also use the Vitalize and use it as my bronzer on my lower cheekbone and also on my jaw a little bit and my forehead. Right, I forgot the neck, yeah. Next, I used my top coat of my lipstick, and I'll be using this red lipstick to make it look much more dramatic. Next, take your brush and start loading it up with the dark purple color and feathering along the side of your lips to create an ombre effect. This will also give your lips more dimension. To finish my look, I use my long-lasting makeup spray.
Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know?
This flies. And I put this thing as paused because it likes to fly everywhere without this thing. So this is why I put this thing on. Because I'm in my balcony. I think I've said it probably 1,000 times, and I am so afraid that people from the up would see me somehow and be like, what's this girl doing? I don't know, but yeah, whatsoever, this is the look that I am about to do, the Lavender Lush. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to comment what video you would like to see next. And what kind of makeup do you want to see next, or any other thing, maybe I will try to do it.